Welcome to the future. AI is no longer the future, it's here, and it's changing everything. Are you using these tools to your advantage? Ever wondered how artificial intelligence, AI, is secretly revolutionizing your daily life? Imagine waking up to a world where your morning routine is flawlessly orchestrated, where every decision you make is enhanced by AI's hidden genius. But that's just the beginning. Prepare to be amazed as we dive into how AI is not only transforming our daily routines, but also reshaping entire industries. In today's video, we'll reveal the top AI tools that are making waves in 2024. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you never miss out on our latest content and updates. Ready to unlock the secrets of AI that are shaping your world? Hit that play button and join us on this eye-opening journey into the future of technology. 1. ChatGPT, your ultimate productivity companion. Overview: an AI language model that goes beyond simple Q&A. Impact: helps you draft emails, write essays, and brainstorm ideas effortlessly. Why you need it: boosts creativity and streamlines your daily tasks. 2. MidJourney, turn words into stunning visuals. Overview: an AI tool that transforms your text descriptions into captivating images. Impact: perfect for designers, marketers, and anyone looking to visualize their ideas. Why you need it: brings your creative visions to life with ease. 3. Notion AI, supercharge your organization. Overview: an AI-powered tool that enhances your project management and organizational skills. Impact: automates tasks, summarizes notes, and helps manage projects seamlessly. Why you need it: keeps you organized and productive, effortlessly handling your workload. 4. Synthesia, create professional videos in minutes. Overview: an AI tool that generates videos with AI avatars, no camera needed. Impact: ideal for content creators who need high-quality videos quickly. Why you need it: streamlines video production, saving time and resources. 5. Jasper AI, your marketing powerhouse. Overview: an AI tool designed to craft compelling marketing copy. Impact: generates effective content for social media posts, ads, and blog articles. Why you need it: elevates your marketing efforts by producing copy that resonates with your audience. These AI tools aren't just about keeping up with the future, they are about transforming how you work, create, and communicate right now. If you're ready to harness the power of AI and elevate your daily life, be sure to dive into these incredible tools. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and updates on the latest in tech. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.